Alright, we're going to do one more song, alright guys? Is that okay? We're going to do Jennifer Lopez. I think you know the song. Dance again? This will be the last song, alright?
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. I'm a old dirty dog all day. No way, Jose. Your girl only go one way. Hey, me money. You should check that out. Maybe you ain't turning around. Maybe it's none of my business. But for now, work it out. Let's get this.
Nobody knows what I'm feeling inside. I find it so stupid, so why should I hide? That I love to make love to you, baby. So many ways wanna touch you tonight. I'm a big girl, but no secrets this time. Yeah, I love to make love to you, baby. Baby, your fire is lighting me up. The way that you move, boy, is reasoning up.
I'm getting
And I love to make love to you, baby. I want you so much.
She is embarrassing herself.
So why should I stop?
Why you think she wants me videotape her of her bad dancing?
What did she think it's good?
Huh?
She think it's good?
We need together.
It's hers.
Just one
She might.
Who cares what they gonna say? I wanna dance in love and dance again. I wanna dance in love and dance again.
She's worldwide and the world's most beautiful woman. Modern day Hugh Hef, yes. Playboy to the death, yes. Is he really worldwide? Yes. Mommy, let me open your treasure chest. Play dates, we play mates like kings, snatch queens, checkmate. What you think? It's a rumor. We out of this world. Make me comfortable. Call
Just
me
watch her dance, her bad dancing. She did a cartwheel.
so ahead of myself. Every day's yesterday. Want the rest of
After this, there's a movie at 7 or 8 o'clock. Here.
Why did you want to take a video?
I don't know. Probably see you saw friends on site. For 11 and 10 seconds.